In this short guide, I'll show you how to register your company on Stagetrac. Registering your company is a simple process. Start by going to stagetrac.com. Once you're on the website, click the Get Started for Free button to begin. The first step is to enter your business email address. Stagetrac does not accept free email providers such as Gmail, Yahoo, or other similar services. If you need to register using one of these, or if your email is not being accepted for any reason, feel free to contact us and we'll assist you further. The email address you use during registration will become the primary email for your account. This email will be the only one that can add supervisors, change the company logo, and manage the subscription plan. Next, choose a strong password for the account and confirm it. Once both fields are filled in, click Continue. On the next page, you'll set up your company details. Start by entering your company name and selecting your time zone. You'll also see a field called Dashboard URL. This will be the link that you and other supervisors use to access your company dashboard. In most cases, this will default to your company name without spaces, and you can usually leave it unchanged. You may want to change the dashboard URL if another company is already using it, if the URL is needed for a different purpose, such as a sign-up or contact page, or if multiple branches of the same company are being registered and need separate dashboards. The final step is uploading a company banner. This step is optional, but it helps personalize your dashboard. The banner will appear on your company dashboard, as well as on printed documents such as job cards and timesheets. For best results, use a horizontal image with a 5:1 aspect ratio. If you don't have a banner ready, you can skip this step and upload one later. Once everything is complete, click Create Account. You'll receive a verification email to confirm ownership of the email address. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. That's it. Your Stagetrac account is now set up and ready to use, and you can start adding employees and creating jobs straight away. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.